we are moving into the Tack Annie section of the Revenge of the Shim Sham. And you're going to find it is very similar to what you did for the Tack Annie in the Shim Sham 2 with those drawbacks, except now we're also going to turn while we're doing it. Okay, so in this verse, the Tack Annie section is basically the same as it was in the Shim Sham 2 with those drawbacks, with one big exception. Now you're supposed to turn the step. So I'm going to tell you something. When you get to be a certain age and when you're learning to tap dance for the first time at that certain age, turning is not for everyone. So if you get to that half break in the Shim Sham 2 section and you're finding you're having a hard time turning and you're not comfortable, don't turn. Just do it without turning. That's fine. You're in the comfort of your own home. No one's going to see you and correct you, and I'd rather have you be safe than try to turn and do something you probably really should not be doing. So the same goes for this combination. If you are not comfortable turning, do it straight. If you are comfortable turning, then turn. So without the turn, going through the way it is in this verse, you're doing, like I said, it's very much like it was in the Shim Sham 2. Stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel. This time you're going to do a touch on the left foot, and then you're doing the break that we did with the Shim Sham section of the Revenge. Stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, 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 step. Okay, so let's walk through that again and then we'll work on the turn. So without the turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now to turn this, you are basically, you're going to do your stomp stomp, you'll do your brush touch. Now I'm going to teach you a way to cheat the turn a little bit so that it'll help you get around. On this next one, you're going to step back and then do your brush touch. So you're already 1/4 of the way around. You are going to be turning, again, you want to think about leading with your right shoulder going back. So you'll go stomp, stomp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch. From here, you are going to do those drawbacks and let them get you the rest of the way around. Step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. So when you're on your toes before the heel drops, that's the place to turn. Let's try that again. So you have stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. Let's do that again. Going slow, it's hard to balance sometimes. 5, 6, 7, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step. Okay, you are doing it 3 times in a row, and on the 3rd time, instead of stepping with the left foot at the end, you're just touching the left foot. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, touch, stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, 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 step. Okay, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it one more time without the turn. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, stamp, stamp, brush, touch, stamp, brush, touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, brush, touch, step, time with the turn. 5, 6, 7, stamp, stamp, first touch, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, first touch, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, touch, stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp, step, 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 step. Let's walk through this Tack Annie 2 more times, once without the turn and once with the turn. So you have 5, 6, 7, stamp, stamp, first touch, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, first touch, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, step, first touch, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank, heel, touch, stomp, step, stomp, step, stomp, step, 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 step. Now let's do it with the turn. 5, 6, 7, stamp, stamp, first touch, step, spank, heel, step, spank,